affordable housing and other initiatives require constant communication for public buy-in, input, and feedback in the spirit of a people-centered delivery of our country's development agenda. I have no doubt whatsoever that well-crafted public-private partnership projects are essential for the realization of strategic public sector infrastructure development projects and will cushion our country from incurring unsustainable debt for financing our country's development needs. As we pursue Kenya's economic transformation and strengthen the bonds of our national unity, now is the time to ask every citizen to introspect on their contribution towards the actualization of the Kenya we all want to live in. The values of honesty, hard work, patriotism, family, and all other values of our civilization, faithfully transmitted through generations, makes it possible for us to transform this country into a more inclusive, equitable, and cohesive nation in which every citizen is able to live free from fear and want. A Kenya where every citizen has a realistic